Hello StockEdge Club family members. This is your friend Vivek Bajaj. First of all, I'm extremely excited to share this good news with all of you. Our initiative of StockEdge Club, which was essentially bringing all of you together, and we, to the best of our ability, giving you all kind of knowledge, wisdom as much as possible, that initiative has actually taken a very good shape. Now we have more than 300 club members across 8 cities. I thank you for becoming part of this initiative, and I'm sure you are realizing the true learning value from all the effort which me and my entire team is putting into make sure that you become an independent person who derives value from stock markets of India. Now, as part of our promise to deliver more value to you at the price which you have paid to us, we are coming to your cities. And in your city, we are going to conduct a workshop and a StockEdge Club meet. We are going to interact with each other and figure out how we take this initiative to the next level and make this one of the biggest network of financial market retail professionals in India. You know, professional participants in financial market had always had a strong say in market for almost 20-25 years. But people like you who are retail, you have always been on the receiving end, and StockEdge Club has taken that responsibility of making sure that you also become a professional, just like the way people are in the market for over so many years. So this club event is your event. These are the cities where the event is happening. Kindly block your city. Do register your presence by getting into the website. We have also sent you an email where we have asked you to register yourself for the event. This is a complimentary event for all the club members. For us, this is the best way we can interact with you when we are there in your city with you. Apart from that, I would definitely urge you to invite more of your friends and make them part of this workshop, which has a very nominal cost. And we will adjust that workshop cost with the club membership if they intend to take the club membership as well, which I am sure you will recommend, because I think what we are doing with 365 days of learning and 24 hours, literally 24 hours of learning every day, I think we are doing justice to whatever association you are building with us. So do refer your friends, do come register. These are the important cities, all 8 cities we are coming, and we want to take it to the next level, and we need people like you to be with us and change the whole ecosystem in our country. Looking forward to meet you. Thank you.